Hi everyone. Find clear, simple answer for the government questions is often frustrating. Information is like buried across a different dozen of different websites, different documents, and making a simple task like how to obtain a license or how to apply for the license, like the questions, it's take like lots of time to figure it out, and it's like overwhelming for us. To solve that type of problem, I created this tool called a Government Guide Florida. I created it for only Florida for now. In this tool, you just need to pass your question and your zip code, and it will do a research on a targeted government website and read all the pages and PDF for you and give you a proper step-by-step answer, so you can get to know like how to go and proceed for your query. Let me show you a demo. So suppose I want to know that how do I renew my license. So I just write down the questions over there and zip code, and just when I press on this run the tool, it will go through all the steps which I built it, and then give in a last it will give me a proper structured answer of my question. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so now we got a result. You can see the structure of the result like renew online, renew in office, key documents, fees already there, the eligibility for the online renewal, and also it give a resource like from which website you can find out all the details as well. So let me show you which steps I added in this tool to identify this type of research and give a proper structure output. Let's go inside the build section. Here you can see the first options or like first module is an input, where I take two input. The first one is a question and second one is a zip code. Then after second module you can see it's a LLM, which I use to identify and restructure my questions. So based on the question, it will go and identify which website is based for getting answer of that particular question. So you can see the final answer of this module is a search query, how to renew a driving license, and it also give a site as well. Then after I use one more module that is called a convert to JSON, because the first one, the LLM give us all this answer in a string mode. So I want to transfer this string to a JSON, so I can get this particular query from this particular JSON. So that's why I use this module to convert this string to this particular JSON. You can see here the different color as well. This tool is a Google search. What is the use of this tool? So it will take this query, how to renew your driving license, and this site, and do a fully research on that site, get all the pages of the site and get all the details from that particular site. You can see here when I do action over, you can see I just pass a search query here, which is this one, and then after as a result you can see here what the people asking on this website, what are the related search of the website, and you can see here the organic section. In this section, when I pass a query over here, it research on this particular website and give me all the pages of the website, the title, the link, and a simple subtitle of that particular website. The next step is a loop. Why I use a loop? So this answer from the Google search, it give me a list of the particular pages. You can see over here the first page, second page, third page, fourth page. So I want to go and iterate all the pages and get all the details of that particular page. So that's why I use loop here. It will go and iterate all the organic section like this one, the array, and inside that array I have the different parameter like title, link, snippet, and position. So I will use this link module and identify and get all the detail of that particular pages. So here I use a loop, and inside the loop I pass one more module that is called extract website content. So what this module do, it will take the link from the above answer and do a full research on that particular page and get all the information of that particular pages. and it will like do iterate like for each and every page. So that's how I get all the detail of the pages. If I expand over here, you can see here all the details of the page, like the original class, the renewal, commercial driver, all the fees over here, late fees over here. So everything it's here using this tool like Xtech website content. You can identify all the detail of the page. You can see here it give me all the detail about the pages in a list like a output, where I have all the details of that particular page, and also it give me a link of the page as well. After this, I use one more module that is called a Python code. Why I use this code? So this all result are in a list. I want to combine all the pages in a one variable, in a one section. So what I did it, I added down all the simple logic over here. That is, I iterate for all the result, and I get that page detail and append that page detail in this particular variable, and as a return I pass the final combined text, where I have detail of the all the pages combined in a one variable, so that I can do again a research on that page and identify the particular information which I want to get based on the user question. Here you can see all the combined answers of the all the pages is here in a result. Now the final step is again the one more LLM, in which you can see I added all my system prompt, what it will do. So take out all the details which I pass it and combine here in the final combine tags, and identify which informations I need from this whole details, and restructure it so user can read it easily. I am going to pass a link of this tool in the description. Just open that link from there and copy this tool in your Relevance account, and you can change anything by yourself, and that's how you will get a easy to use tool for the government websites and get an answer from the government websites. See you in the next video with the one more amazing agent using a different platform.